Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Grace Ann. For those of you who do not know me, I also go by the name of Gracie. Some of my friends called me. This is an intro video to my YouTube channel. I know I've already gone and started posting a lot of videos. You guys make sure you go back and watch them for those of you who haven't seen them as yet. My YouTube channel is mostly going to be about how I take care of my own natural hair and also my children. I also have a video of how I am trying to regrow my edges. Just make sure you check out that video. What I've used in my hair, it really works. I've seen so much progress since I've done that video. It's been over like 3 weeks, going 4 weeks since I've done that video, and trust me guys, I have seen a big change in my own hair, and it even feels so much fuller, which I am so happy with. And my YouTube channel is also going to be about with me showing you how I prepare some of my dishes that I do at home, as they're mostly going to be Jamaican food because that's what I grow up on. I still try other things every now and then of how to go about how to prepare other meals. I also go out of my own culture, try to learn other things as well. And I also love to bake, especially around Christmas season, which is my favorite time of the year. I also make the rum cake, which I really love. Growing up as a kid, I didn't like it because I think they put too much rum in it. But now I could tweak it my own way where it's not too strong, And guys, please, I thank you all for those of you who already start supporting my channel, and I hope that everyone else will like my channel as well. And please support it. Don't forget to like, share my videos, subscribe to it, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, because guys, you won't miss any of my video as long as you do that. I appreciate you all, and I hope that you all just continue to keep your faith in God. Keep it up, because there are so many things going on out there right now. But with faith will carry us through. Faith and grace will carry us through, because that's what God has given us. Faith and grace. Love you all. Please support my channel. Alright, I've supported so many channels over there. It's your time to start supporting my channel. I watch so much YouTube video. Oh my God. During my bored time and good times, bad times, always trying to search for something to cheer me up. But guys, I appreciate you all. Love you all. Peace.